Here we are back again with the Rambler for video number 2. So I've changed the tuning cap because I just could not let it go out with a scratchy tuning cap. So I have changed it. Absolute nightmare, but it's done. So let's pop it on. Unfortunately my phone is interfering, so if I come a bit further away, that's better. Still interfering.
Quite wrong about the pledge on offals. We're going to deliver them by 2030, Mr. Speaker. That was always clear.
Bit of Boris action for you. Dear, oh dear. What is he like? It's a weak one there. He's receiving very, very well.
This morning, a man from sets a new world record for a mammoth pub crawl. How many pubs do you think Gareth Murphy managed to visit in 24 hours?
So 24 hours, half an hour.
That is great.
50.
Pretty close.
Issue always tries to blame other people for mistakes.
Whoa.
And that.
No scratching at all now between stations.
This is kick off their campaign against Austria tonight. You can hear the match live on TalkSport from 7. Cam Norrie's dad says his son has nothing.
It's picking up some of the very hard to get stations here. I'm really impressed. Absolutely brilliant. Right, long wave. That's our French station. I think that was, yeah, that's RTE, Ireland. France, we should be coming up on Radio 4 very shortly.
Disrupted or cancelled because of staff shortages at airports,
So
airlines.
bang on where it should be.
We haven't even reached
It says
the
BBC 2,
travel season
1500
yet.
metres.
There will be more bad news for some.
And that's all we got on long wave in the UK. So there you are, little Rambler, very much sorted. So could be on its way to the US of A. You never know. So thanks for watching again. Bye for now.